Good morning students, we have started the lesson multiplication and last day I explained you about multiplier, multiplicand and product. Today I will explain you multiply by repeated addition. One has been done for you. So what is your multiplication form? Do you know na? No? If you don't know then I tell you. Look at here properly and listen carefully. These types sums are called multiply by repeated addition. So how can we do these all the sums? Look at here. So first look at here carefully. There is given 4 and there is given 7. Tell me about this sign. What is this sign? This sign is called multiply. What is multiply? So there is given 4 and there is given 7. First we will write 4. Then after we will make a sign. Which sign? Addition. Then after we will again write 4. How many times we will write the 4? 7 times. Those values are given this side, such as we write this value in that time. Okay, so we will write 4 in 7 times and make a addition sign. So 4, then plus, then write 4, then again 4, 4. Now we read 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many times? 6. So we will write one time more, 7. Now how can we solve this? First we will add these all the 4 and we can multiply this 4 and 7. These are same result in both sides. So 4 7s are 28 and we will count 4 and 4 in 7 times to come to 28. So both are similar. That is called multiplication by repeated addition. So there is we write will 28. Got it? Now come to this sum. There is given 2 and there is given 5. So we will write 2 in which times? 5 times. So first we will write here 2, then after make a sign plus, then after 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. Then we will find out the product. So 2 5s are 10 and then we will add 2 and 2 and 2. Then it is also come to 10. How? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. How much? 10. So we will write here 10. Are you coming to know now? Now there is given 3 and there is given 6. So first we will write 3, then after we will write 6. How many times? 6 times. So first we will write here 3. Now 3, make a sign addition. Now again 3, make a sign addition. Now again 3, make a sign addition. Now this type of. How many times these write here? 1 2 3 4 5 6. How many times? 6. So we will write here this type of. Now 3 6 are 18 and then we count 3 and 3 and 3 and 3 and this 3. So we all count overall values to come to on 18. We are similar. So 3 6 are 18. So we will write here 18. Got it? Now come to their side. There is given 6 and there is given 8. So first we will write 6. How many times? 8 times. So 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many times? 8 times. Then 6 8s are 48. How much? 48. So we will write here 48. When we count the 6 in 8 times, so that also come here 48. Got it? The same process we will apply on both sides. So that answer was 48. Look at here. These types of sums I gave you in the homework. So you have to done this all the homework in your notebook. And this is also. I explained you yesterday these types of sums. Fill the blanks. One has been done for you. So first you have to write this value in this box. Then after what times that is given. So we will write here this side. Then after we will find out the product of this value. So first how can we solve? There we will write 2. Then how many times? 4. So 2 4s are 8. Got it? Now these types of sums we can solve easily. Now goodbye and take care.